In front of me, I've got 3 Alfa Romeo models, all in a 1/64 scale. 2 of them are from BBR. We got the GTA version and the GTA M version. And on top, we got a Tarmac, and that is only the GTA M version. But I believe Tarmac also made a GTA version, but I only bought this one because of the spoiler in the back. Why you bought both models from BBR? Okay, let's have a look at the one from Tarmac first. So here we got the package, box package, Alfa Romeo logo, Tarmac for good. We can see it's an official licensed product. That is what we like. And some more information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. I already took it out of the package. Let's get some more light. And yeah, this model is fantastic. We got lanced front and rear lights. We got a nice spoiler in the back. Here the side mirrors got an Italian flag on it. Alfa Romeo GTA logo. No brake disc or a brake claw, but we do have a very nice rims, and we got a metal base. Slick tires, so no profile. Yeah, very good model. Okay, let's have a look inside. Just a black interior, no color details on the dashboard, but it looks very good. Okay, let's have a look at the GTA version. No, GTA M version. You can see it's still wrapped around in plastic, so not sure what to expect. Here we see the scale, made in China. I don't see, licensed, yeah, it's official licensed products. Package, it feels pretty heavy and it also looks really nice. Oh yeah, here we got the sticker, official product. So if I only look at the package and compare it with the one from Tarmac, 1 point for BBR models. Okay, let's slide it open. Oh, I really like this kind of package. Oh yes, 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 yes. I see some differences already. Yeah, this one feels also heavier. Lights on. Okay, wheels are basically the same. Also no brake disc, no brake claw. I think the paint looks a little bit better. Got a metallic glitter paint. And here in front of it, this is also better with the... It is a different red color. Yeah, it's a different red color, but we're going to put them next together after I showed you this model. I like these black lines around the front lights, and we see some carbon fiber here. Alfa Romeo logo in the middle of the grille. Here we also have some carbon fiber. And the roof, carbon fiber, and here the spoiler in the back. No Italian flag here on the side mirror, but again, carbon fiber looking. And here we got the back. Yeah, silver exhaust tip here. I like that. And we also have a metal base with a colored BBR logo. Nice. And here we got tires with profile, with no slick. Beautiful red color, by the way. Let's have a look inside. Looks like we have some color on the logo of the steering wheel, but for the rest, no colors on the dashboard. And we have a roll cage in the back. Now let's place them next together. So yeah, you can definitely see the difference in color. And no carbon fiber for the one from Tarmac. Also no black lines for the front lights. And no carbon fiber here. There is no carbon fiber on the one from Tarmac. I do like the Italian flag on the side mirror. So that's an extra point for Tarmac. Yeah, those wheels are the same. If you tell me these models came from the same factory, I would believe you. Definitely. There are some difference in details. Yeah, the back from the BBR model is a lot better. And also no silver exhaust tip here on the one from Tarmac. Oh, sorry for the not focusing well. The base of the one from Tarmac has a little bit more detail. And here it has profile on the tires. I think that's a little bit more realistic. Well, not if you're driving on a racetrack, of course. Yeah. And also here we got some carbon fiber. And the interior, same interior. Here, let's check this again. Well, no, the steering wheel from the one from Tarmac has less detail. Okay, if you look at the steering wheel of this one right here, we got more details. Yeah, in my opinion, this BBR model is definitely a little bit better than the one from Tarmac. Tarmac is not bad at all. Also a very good model. Now you want to know what's the price of the Tarmac and what's the price of the BBR? I'm not sure what the price is. Maybe I can put that in the description later. So if you want to know the price, check the description of the video and I will show you. Okay, now let's have a look at the other version right here, the GTA model. So yeah, packaging is basically the same. Let's open it up. This packaging is good. The sliding box. Wow. Yeah. Oh, we have some color here on the dashboard. It says GTA. I missed that on this one. GTA M. Yeah. So yeah, basically the same model. No, it's better with light. Also these black lines, exhaust, yeah. Different spoiler. This is more ductile. Carbon fiber looking. Here on top of the roof, carbon fiber. Also the black lines in the front lights. Same wheels, same base. And probably also the same interior. Yeah. Same interior, but we got no roll cage in the back. No roll cage in the back. Okay. Really cool models from BBR. Okay, let me know what is your favorite and what you think about these BBR models. And like I said in the video, I will show you the price and where I bought these models in the description of the video. See you later. Thumbs up, you really helped me with that. And have a good day. Bye.